Ito-san, one of the most boring yet interesting Pixar Cars characters. And I say that because, he didn't really have, um, you know, a major role in the franchise. And of course, his design is rather boring. But then again, he does play a role, just not in the Cars franchise. Just it's instead in Tokyo Meta, where initially he breaks down, so Meta tows him to Tokyo, and then of course he declares the race between him and Kabuto, and now that's when the main plot sort of kicks off. So in a way, he is important, I suppose. Now, Ito-san, of course, he appears in Tokyo Mesa, and he resembles a Toyota Century, which, I don't know, I kind of see it. And according to his Mattel diecast, his number plate reads 902107, and his voice actor is Robert Ito, which explains his full name. And he was only released twice, surprisingly, but both of which were singles. One was his first one in 2010, and his most recent one in 2023. So that's 13 years, that is, between two releases. That's just crazy, I find that just crazy. And his design, I think, resembles Chuck Manifold. Not sure about you, but tell me in the comments below what you think. So, wow, he has wing mirrors on his bonnet, which you don't see on every car. Of course, he's got a chrome grille, and I wonder what these are, on his side. In a metal, well, not metal, but in real life they'd be metal, wouldn't they? On the side is, designed very uninteresting, hence why I think he's boring, yet exciting. He's got chrome rims, a very boxy design. Here we go, design reads 90210R. You've got a single exhaust pipe. And, here's the base. Not as much as other cars, but it's got all your basic details, shall we say. And, overall he's a decent character, I think. Tell me what you think in the comments. Have a great day, folks!